In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use durable AI for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional website ready to share with customers, even if you've never built a site before. First, open the Durable AI website builder. You'll see a simple form that asks for your business type, your monthly revenue. If you're brand new, select Just Starting, your location, and your business name. These details help the AI tailor content and design to your niche and audience. Click Generate and give it a moment. Durable will assemble a complete starter site with pages, copy, images, and a layout you can tweak. Once your site loads, start customizing your content. Click directly on any section to edit the text and swap images. If a section misses the mark, use the Regenerate option to instantly rework that block until it fits your voice. Head into Customize to adjust colors, fonts, and themes, so the look matches your brand. You can also add extra sections. Think contact forms for leads, testimonials for credibility, or image galleries to showcase your work. Keep your message concise and readable, and aim for a clear call to action like book a call or request a quote. Quick note before we continue. You'll find the link to the Durable website at the very top of the description. Use that to jump straight in and follow along. Next, expand your site with pages and tools. Go to Pages, then create new to add essentials like an About page, services, or a blog. If writing isn't your thing, use the built-in AI copywriter to generate or polish your text. For operations setup tools such as the CRM to track leads and clients, invoices to bill professionally, and quotes to send polished proposals. Keeping everything in one place makes your workflow smoother. Before launching, review and refine. Preview your site on mobile to confirm buttons, images, and text are easy to read and tap. Do a quick pass for spelling, grammar, and broken links. Small fixes can make a big difference. When you're happy, connect a domain. You can use a free durable subdomain to get live fast, or connect your own custom domain for a branded, professional touch. Finally, click Publish to go live. That's it. You've built and launched a website with Durable AI. If this walkthrough helped, give it a like, drop your questions in the comments, and check the link at the top of the description to get started. Thanks for watching.